Whether shopping online or in store, every product experience matters. Great product experiences help drive discoverability, differentiate you from competitors, and influence purchasing behavior. But in today's fast-moving landscape, it's harder than ever to ensure great product experiences across every touchpoint. Resources are constrained, retailers' requirements change constantly, and AI is changing the way consumers discover and evaluate your products. That's where Salsify comes in. Salsify is the intelligent product experience management platform that helps commerce teams move faster, work smarter, and scale efficiently. Salsify is the only PXM solution that provides you with the tools, intelligence, and network required to drive profitable growth. With Salsify, you get an enterprise-grade product information management solution so you can centralize all of your product content and create a trusted source of truth. You get powerful AI and automation tooling, allowing you to automate business processes, streamline content enrichment, and power dynamic data transformation with simplicity and scale. And you're connected to a dynamic global syndication network, enabling you to connect your product experiences to any shopping destination consistently, accurately, and reliably. As the only PXM solution built from the start as a unified platform, Salsify provides unparalleled speed, flexibility, and automation, enabling you to make every product experience matter.